Hey, I'm Chris. Behind me is my 1993 Toyota Supra. It's an NA 5-speed manual car with 55,000 original miles on it. It's obviously not the prettiest, and it's not very fast right now. But I'm going to be documenting the process of restoring this to its former beauty and making it fast. Follow along on my YouTube channel to see videos of the progress. The engine in this car is completely bone stock. When I bought it, obviously the battery was dead, so I went ahead and threw a Odyssey battery in here, which I'll be making a video on relocating that to the trunk. I already have an engine to put into this car. This is a 2JZ GTE VVTi out of a Toyota Aristo. The head is currently at the machine shop getting GSC S2 cams installed along with shimless buckets. I'll be making a video of putting this engine together. I'm going to have to swap it to a rear sump. I'm also going to paint it. And of course, I got to put the head back on. This car sat outside for about 15 years. Luckily, the interior looks nothing like the outside and is in quite good condition. I do plan on dyeing the carpet black and having the seats reupholstered or going possibly with aftermarket seats. The car did come with original wheels and tires, but since they had been sitting for so long, I went ahead and threw these RPF ones I had on here. I also replaced the front brakes with OEM twin turbo calipers and put stainless steel lines on it. That's a quick rundown of my Supra. There's many more videos to come of this build, so if you'd like to follow along, please subscribe to my channel.